Hi guys, nandito nga kami ngayon sa Farewell Boracay at ito ang aming room. So, ang gulo diba? Kahapon na nga dito at kagigising ko lang. Bababa ako doon sa baba. Nandun sila sa pool. So, let's go. Baba tayo. Tulog ako kagigising ko lang. Di pa nga ako nag-ayos sa mga gamit namin. Nag-coffee rin ako bago ako bumaba ako. Ay, nag-coffee. So, ito nga yung bathroom namin. Gibot ko muna kayo. Yan. Ang gulo, diba? O, so, baba muna tayo, guys. Medyo mahirap kasi yung... Patagala pala ako ng pera. Kasi baka may bilhin. Bilhin kami. O may gustong bilhin yung aking anak. Wala akong dalang pera. Wait lang. Kuha ako ng pambili. Balik tayo. Ayan. Nasa 850 na po. Pag sa baba. Titingnan ko yung magang. Nasa deluxe room ang aming room. Ganda ng mga rain. Baba tayo sa lobby. Then, so, sa lobby. Basa dito kasi may mga nag-swimming galing sa swimming pool. Wala siya sigurong dalang towel. Ako naman ay bababa din. So, ayan, nandito na ako sa lobby. Saan nga ba yung gym? May gym sila dito. Ayan o. Tapos meron din sila mga bilihan ng mga pang swimming. Ayan. Andito ako sa lobby at pupuntahan ko yung aking dalawang bata. Ang sarap nga nung cake dito, guys. Order nga ako ng cake ni Sydney. Ayan o. So, ang cute din naman. Hanapin ko kung nasa yung magama ko. Sydney! Bakit? Ewan ko. Puno na yun. Alin? Oh, maya, siswimming tayo.
May kaming nito, 6 o'clock.
Ang sabi?
Sabi niyo. Mami, ayoko pa 6
Not cold?
o'clock. Mami, ayoko pa 6 o'clock.
Ha? Fresh water?
Mami, ayoko 6 o'clock. Mami, ito po friend ko.
What is your name?
Niobe.
Huh?
Niobe.
Niobe.
Siga.
Where are you from?
Turbic.
Huh?
Terminayan. She from Philippines.
Terminea? Oh.
She from Philippines.
That's nice. They're big feeder like
Yeah, Mama, she said she has a friend here. Mama, she said she has a friend here. That's why I came down. Yeah.
You go sit at your table, eat ice cream. I said that. Oh, you should try it. That one over there. So hot.
This one.
Oh, regular. But that one's a hot. That's some actual like boiling water almost.
Eggs.
Really hot. I want to go in there, but it's been so busy over there. I don't go.
You don't like the warm?
I told her we were getting out at 6 o'clock.
They said 6 o'clock.
No, I told her we were getting out at 6 o'clock.
She said she don't like to get out.
Having all WWE squishy over here in the corner.
Is this chair?
Abot nila.
She can swim there? This one?
Who?
Sydney?
Yeah, she can touch. She was scared at first, that's why she's not using this.
Ah.
She took this. So staying up, so she can't drown. All the whole pool is this.
Ah, okay. I thought this one.
So she's scared at first, but then I finally put her like, see here. I finally put her here. It's like, oh okay. Then she don't want this, so
Sydney!
Mami,
Mamaya, binibidyoan pa kita yun.
mami, ayaw ko na po mag-video.
Eh, gusto ko sa bidyoan. Sige na. Can play with your friends.
Mami, let's go to the waterfall.
Punta ka na.
Mami, tarik pa. Pwede mami dapat. Ano yung cellphone mo?
Ano ka nga ito pa din susi? Susi ando. O sige, dali. Titingnan kita. Oh.
Galing nga.
Taga saan daw anak?
Hindi ko naintindihan kung bansa-bansa yun.
Para narinig ko Korea.
Hindi. Malayo. Oh.
Okay lang po. Tarik ka. Mami, kansado mo.
Bibidyoan mo na kita. Nalamig ako eh.
Mami, pili mo po.
Alin?
Ayaw mo na ito?
Oh, dapa na yung friend mo. Si Sydney may friend siyang foreigner na. Be careful, anak. Be careful. Go with daddy. Mainit daw dito.
Mainit.
Oo. Jacuzzi to eh.
it's like it's hot.
Oh. So much hot.
Oh, wow.
So,
Yeah,
yeah.
mama.
Good for the muscles, huh?
Yeah. Kaya ni mama yan.
Me in it.
Ano nga yan? Maganda nga yan. Ano sa ano? Sige, ayaw mo na ba?
This look. I wish I had this at the house and for my knee every day. My knee would be good.
Doon mo nak mainit doon. Mainit doon mo naman dito. Ang damit ba ito?
Yeah, good for the feet. Yeah.
Yeah. Ano ka kanina?
Kami tayo sumakit sa aeroplano, nararamdaman ko yung kulit sa atin. Ang word is next.
I don't think American. I think European.
Yeah, I thought
I thought I was like, hey, thank you for treating it. I think no problem. Ain't no problem. Like, let's say European.
the father's the one with
Yeah. Yeah. Swedish, yeah, Denmark, Canada, maybe. But English, English. A little weird, but. We call it father.
Ayun din na nais na yun. German pala siya.
the city where she lives.